Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar generators available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Jackery Solar Generator. This entry-level portable power station is equipped with a 240 Wh lithium-ion battery pack weighing only at 6.6 pounds. The solid handle makes it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures such as tent camping, road trip, backyard camping, etc. The power station can be recharged by the Jackery Solar Saga 60 solar panel. Its built-in MPPT controller enables the solar panel to operate at its max power point for the power station to be recharged at its highest efficiency. At number 6 we have FlashFish Solar Generator. FlashFish Power Station is equipped with a lithium battery pack. It can be charged by the 15 to 24 volt solar panel AC wall adapter and car charger efficiently. The 151 Wh compact station is powerful enough to meet different kinds of electricity demands, outdoor usage for home travel, camping, backseat on long road trips. It comes with a weight of 4.07 pounds and soft handle. It can be used more efficiently, crank up the music, power up a drone, keep lights on, charge a phone and power up other delicate appliances. At number 5 we have Ecoflow Solar Generator. The generator built-in lights of 2 levels full charged continue lighting up 64 hours. The 3 external lamps comes with individual switch continue lighting up 40 hours. It comes with a handle easy to carry. The high brightness up to 140 lumens/W and low consumption. It is perfect emergency power backup for home and widely applicable to travel, camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, expedition for outdoor activities. At number 4 we have Rockpals Solar Generator. The solar generator can be recharged from the sun with any compatible 60 watts or 100 watts solar panel. This battery pack can be fully charged in 8 hours by being plugged into the wall outlet. The portable power station can also be charged by plugging into your car 12-volt socket. It reduces audible and electrical noise in fans, fluorescent lights, audio amplifiers, TV, fax and answering machines. And it is a gas-free source of portable power supply. It runs quiet, no exhaust fumes. At number 3 we have Marbero Solar Generator. The power station provides larger power capacity which can efficiently power up the same electronic devices longer. It can fully charge the mobile phone 12 times, the laptop 2 times, the CPAP machine takes about 4 hours. The LED light is more than 40 hours and the mini refrigerator is about 5 hours. There are 3 ways to charge the emergency battery supply. It takes about 7 to 8 hours to be fully recharged by AC 110 volts wall socket. It can be recharged under direct sunlight with solar panel. Also you can recharge it with a car lighter outlet and the cable is included in the package. At number 2 we have Enginestar Solar Generator. The advanced battery management system enables voltage control, temperature control, and built-in multiple safe charging designs to provide short-circuit protection, overcharging protection to improve battery utilization. The portable power station supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 output. That's support 5 volts to 9 volts/2.1 max output for smart devices, which also support Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. The rechargeable power station weighs only 3.6 pounds and a compact handle design makes it easy to take anywhere. At number 1 we have Ecoflow Solar Generator. The river can power up to 10 devices simultaneously. It comes with 3 pure sine wave AC outlets. The river can power devices up to 1800 watts with the X boost mode on. It comes with a capacity of 288 watt-hours. The river provides enough juice to run essential devices for hours, that's depending on the actual output. The modular design of river is the power that grows with your needs. It is designed for mobility. The 11-pound solid yet lightweight river is slightly larger than a toaster, which is perfect to take out. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar generators for your need.